Hello everybody, today we're just doing a simple video on mixing quickset muds. Quickset muds, also known as hot muds, are sold in these 20-pound bags. They usually come in a 5-minute, there's a 20, there's a 40, and even a 90-minute. When I'm working with these 5 minutes for doing patchworks, I like to just mix a pan at a time. Sometimes it's easier just to mix a pan up instead of pulling out a mixing drill, paddle, then you have to clean up all these tools. So when I'm doing smaller jobs, when I can get away with a couple pans, I'll just mix it by hand just like this. Basically, whenever you work with hot muds, you want to use fresh, clean water. Always use fresh, clean water. If you use dirty water, sometimes the dirty water will set the materials off faster than you need. Like a 5 minute, sometimes it'll set up in 2-3 minutes. Sometimes it won't even set up at all for 10-20 minutes. So just use fresh, clean water whenever you're going to start doing a project. Mixing it in a pan, I know a lot of guys think this is a messy, dumb way, but this is the way I do it every day because I don't like to go to my truck and pull out a bunch of tools out of the toolbox. If it's drills, getting batteries out, extension cords, stuff like that. So I just mix it pan by pan. If it's a larger project, then I'm going to opt into mixing a quarter of a bucket, half a bucket, or a full bucket of hot mud. For these small jobs, it's easier just to mix a pan at a time. Mix up a pan at a time. That way you can get all the materials on the wall and the patches and get all your tools cleaned up. Hot muds are more professional grade material, so I don't recommend anyone just use these. If you used mud before and you've done a lot of drywall and you're pretty good at mudding, then you could use these hot muds. But this is not something that first time person, do-it-yourself person goes and buy a bag of this and use this material. I would just stick to an all-purpose joint compound. All-purpose joint compounds, when you put them on, you let them dry overnight and then you sand them. With all-purpose joint compounds, if you make a mistake, you can sand away your mistake. With these hot muds, once they set up like a cement. So there's more labor involved. There's more stuff involved with slicking out these hot muds versus just putting the mud on, letting it dry overnight, and sanding it, which is easy, which anyone can really do. You just got to wait overnight for it to dry. The reason I use quickset muds like these because I have to finish the job in one trip. Get it all taped, coated 2 times, and get it textured all in one trip. So that's the reason I have to use these hot muds. That's the only reason. If I had to do a larger project that I had to go to the next day and the next day, then I would just use an all-purpose joint compound. But yeah, simple, easy technique, just mixing it pan by pan. It is a hot quickset mud, so it does have a set time, so you got to work fast with the material. You want to be able to get all your mud mixed up, get all the mud on the patches, get all your tools cleaned up before this hot mud sets up. Also, the hot mud, you'll have to slick it out when it starts setting, not after it sets up. Once it starts setting up, like this is a 5-minute mud, so I watch it between the 4 to 6 minute range. It starts setting up and I got to slick it out, but I have plenty of other videos showing that slick out thing. This is just a video on just doing a simple pan mixing, pan clean out. But yeah, once you get all that mud on, clean your pan out. I'm just using a bucket of water here and sponges. That way I don't have to go outside to the hose. But a good washout area with a hooked up hose outside washout area is always best because you can really clean the tools good. But if you're in a little area like I am, just a water bucket and a sponge, and you can wash out everything in hand that you have there without going back and forth, back and forth. That's why I have the hot mud here with me right next to the patchwork that I'm doing, so I can just focus on these two wall areas, get them all finished without having to go across the whole house, back and forth, outside, inside, back and forth, making a big old mess walking back and forth. So that's why I'm working out of the bucket here, mixing pan by pan. But yeah, simple video, easy stuff, mixing quick set hot muds pan by pan. Hope you liked the video, and I also have many other videos on the channel. Patching, stress cracks, easy do-it-yourself repairs, perfect channel for anybody that does their own work.
Now I clean my pan. That's just a hot mud trick. Usually just let it dry, set up, slick it out, use second coat. But now I got enough materials on there to slick it out after it sets up.